Next one is the preemptive OLE DB ops. And this specifically relates to external operations like link server queries or SSIS tasks, or things that link outside of the actual main SQL Server process, and it's waiting for something to respond. And it indicates that there's a delay in those external components. So for instance, if you have a link server, which is simply a pointer to another SQL server, you send a query across that link server connection to run, and if it takes 5 minutes to run on the other side before you get results back, you might be getting preemptive OLE DB ops waiting for that query to be run on the other SQL server. And the fact is, this SQL server you're on is reporting that that's the wait type, but it indicates the problem is on the other end. Or it could be, the other end meaning that the query you sent to the other end is causing it as well. So one way to work on this is, let me give another example. Another example would be a link server to something that is not a fast connection. One environment I worked on, they had a link server between United States and New Zealand, and running any queries across that link server were slow just because the connection was so slow and just the amount of time it took to transfer the data there. So, and that would have logged a bunch of preemptive OLE DB ops. So one way to deal with this is to optimize your link server queries or optimize link server connections and reduce the reliance on those external operations.
So this one's kind of like waiting for a delivery from another company.
Exactly. And like the delivery, once that other company has started their process of delivering it, generally you're not going to be able to change that. No matter how much we may be screaming at our company that we need it today, it's going to get here when it gets here. And yeah, the preemptive OLE DB ops are kind of like saying, go figure out what's going on that other end, on whatever thing it's waiting on at that point, not on the current SQL Server. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.